and welcome back to Project C06 episode 2. Start you guys off with a sneak peek of episode 3 where we start taking off body panels. So this is a little sneak peek. Now let's go ahead and jump into episode 2 where we're going to start off with the LED tail light installation. And this is a modification that I've known about ever since I've had the Corvette. So I finally decided to go ahead and get myself a set of these LED tail lights. You'll see me installing them right here. I'm taking each one out and I'm just taking my time and cleaning behind the light. I figured since I have everything apart, I might as well go ahead and clean it up. The installation is pretty simple. There's 2 screws in each tail light. You undo them, remove the tail light, and the new one, the wiring harness just snaps in to where the old bulb would have snapped in. So it's not a hard installation, but it does make a pretty significant appearance change to the back of the car. So I finally decided to do it, and I'm actually happy with this. I think it looks pretty good. Now this is where the fun began. Taking apart every single tail light to rewire it to do the halo modification. And what this is when you have the car with just the driving lights on, or even at night, the halo ring around the tail lights are illuminated, and when you turn on your turn signal or put your foot on the brake, the center section of the tail light illuminates as well. It's a really cool look for the back of the car. So after hours of wiring, I went ahead and installed one light just to test to make sure everything was correct. And as we can see, you see the halo is lit by itself. And then once we press the brake or the signal, the center section lights up as well. So this job worked perfectly. And we can see the tail lights in their stock form. And then we'll see them with the LEDs non-modified, and we'll see the final halo modified version. This is another simple job. I just went ahead and took out the old factory bulbs and replaced them with the blue LEDs. I think it just gives the back of the car a cool effect when you're driving around at night. And the license plate is still completely visible. It just has a blue tint to it, which I think looks pretty cool. So this is what it looked like before I replaced the license plate bulbs. And then here we see it after. So this is another job completed. Simple one. And we're moving on to the carbon fiber A-pillar trim installation. Now this is something that I'm really being careful of. With this project, what I don't want to do is put a bunch of carbon fiber covers on everything. What I really want to do is replace existing panels with carbon fiber panels. But there will be some instances where I do install a carbon fiber cover, and this was one of those. It's something that you really have to be paying attention to notice, but I think it looks good. So here are the 2 carbon fiber rear fenders, and these look pretty good. There's one small flaw right here. There's a paint chip. I'm supposed to get a partial refund for that repair, but overall the 2 fenders look good. Now for the rear, this is the bumper cover, and this was a fail. I am sending this back immediately. I thought that it was going to be a full carbon fiber exterior with the clear coat like the rear fenders, but it's not. The only exposed carbon fiber is on the rear diffuser portion of it. The rest of it is just like the fiberglass gel coat, and it's super rough
and bumpy. This whole thing will need to be body worked, sanded, painted, and that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for full carbon fiber panels. So this goes back and these will stay and get put on. And I also have a fuel door cover, but it's a overlay that goes on the door, but I don't actually want to use the door. I'm just going to use the overlay. So I bought this off of eBay. I'm actually going to remove this actual door and then adhere the carbon fiber to it. So it won't actually be just a carbon fiber cover. The actual door will only be the carbon fiber panel. So that's what I'm going to do as well. Well, that looks pretty good.
So now we're getting into the rear quarter panels, and this is a sneak peek of what we're going to show in episode number 3. This job took a good amount of time. One of the things I didn't know is that I had to modify the carbon fiber quarter panels to actually fit on the car, but I was able to get it to go. Just want you guys to kind of see what's in store. We are definitely going after the body panels in the next episode, and also there was a nerve-wracking moment when it came time to pull this off, so I'll let you guys go ahead and check this out.
Oh my God. Wow. 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 Oh man.
If you've made it to the end of the video, I just want to say thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the entire playlist, and God bless you all.